Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install a minimal template for Prestashop 1.7. So the first step is to, of course, download the template. You can download in the link that you can see in the description of the video, and choose your version. I'm going to install the light version, which is this. So I click in download, and here we go. I'm going to unzip this, and then I'm going to connect to my server, and I'm going to upload this folder to the template folder. So I drag the folder and drop here in the themes folder. So this template is very light. Actually, it's one CSS folder. It's just one file, and so we are in. Go to the panel control of Prestashop. Go to theme and logo. Then refresh, and you will see minimal template ready to be installed. So we click install. Use this theme. And our store that looked like this will now look like this. Very easy and fast. So I hope you enjoy it. Bye.